If you've ever tried to click a specific item on a crowded PowerPoint slide, only to keep accidentally moving something else instead, I've got the solution for you. There's a hidden panel built right into PowerPoint that solves this instantly. I'm going to use this slide on tiki drinks to demonstrate. I'd like to adjust the drop shadow I created for the title, but the drink images keep getting in the way. So here's how to do this easily. On the Home tab, go all the way to the right and click Select. Then choose Selection Pane. This opens a list of every single layer on your slide. By default, they have generic names, but if you double-click them, you can rename them. For instance, I can call this one Center Drink. If you're not sure what item is what, you can use these eyeballs to click on and off and see what layer is what. If a layer is in your way, you can just click the eye icon for that particular layer to hide it temporarily. That allows me to edit any of the layers underneath without struggle. I can just click that eye icon to bring the item back. You can also drag these layers up or down in the list to instantly change what sits in front or in back. For instance, I can move this center drink behind these other two drinks. It makes it a lot easier than continually hitting send to back. Notice that the items on top of the list are closest to you, and the ones on the bottom are farthest back. For instance, this is the background. I did really like how the center drink was overlapping the tiki drink, so I'm going to bring that back up to the top. Another trick is if I want to move something over just a little bit, I can select it and then use the arrow keys on my keyboard to move it where I'd like it to go. Drop a comment if this saves you some frustration, and subscribe for more digestible PowerPoint tips.